everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we are going on a 12-night cruise with Royal Caribbean on one of their famous itineraries, Sunshine in the Canaries. The journey is a round journey from Southampton with first port Vigo, Spain, and the last to be the port of Lisbon, Portugal. We first sailed on this incredible ship back in 2015 when it was launched as the world's largest and the smallest cruise ship. Fast forward to 2023, once again we had the opportunity to revisit this amazing vessel with our kids.
Hello. किधर पार्टी? ठीक है वीर. Say hi. मुझे hi करो भैया.
Let me show you the above dazzling lights, each one pulsating in sync with a heartbeat. The magical part is the heartbeat you see on the screen is a part of us, a part of our family, and belongs to a very special member of my party. It is a tech wonder and is an unforgettable experience. Welcome everyone to our royal suite aboard the Anthem of the Seas. Two-bedroom royal suite is one of the spacious accommodations at sea. The suite provides you with an extraordinary space, style and convenience, making it an ideal choice for families. Two separate bedrooms and two bathrooms with master bedroom typically features a king-size bed, while second bedroom offers twin beds that can often be converted into a queen-size bed for added flexibility. Private balcony that extends from the living area is your perfect place to enjoy a leisurely breakfast, soak up some sun, or simply take in the fresh sea breeze.
Hello. Balcony?
Yeah, come on. Mitty. Just.
Hello, hi.
Hello, Mitty. आ जाओ दिए. Let's go to the lift.
Yes.
So now deck 12. Leave. Mitty. Chalo.
God.
See?
As we are traveling with kids, we will now take you to the kids' play area at Deck 11, known as Adventure Ocean. It is a place where kids get to have a good time. The best thing about Adventure Ocean is you can drop off kids during dinner time to have a little relief while cruising with kids.
Ooh.
With kids, we will predominantly revolve around Sorrento's during this voyage, but I have included some stock footage to provide you with a glimpse of the renowned restaurants such as Coastal Kitchen to the sizzling steaks at Chops Grill and the comforting Italian classics at Jamie's Italian. Anthem of the Seas made waves in the cruise industry when it was unveiled in 2015. With its cutting-edge technology, luxurious amenities and jaw-dropping entertainment, it set the bar high for cruise experiences worldwide. We had the privilege of being among its first passengers, and we do have huge expectations for this voyage. We just arrived at our first port of call in Vigo, Spain, and we are heading to the Samil Beach. Samil is a fantastic sandy beach with a very friendly and welcoming atmosphere. It offers pristine sandy shores and crystal clear waters. The best part is it's a public beach with a decent crowd, making it the perfect spot for family.
Just be careful, okay? Oh,
Samil Beach has a very good promenade where you can take a leisurely stroll and soak in the beauty of the surroundings. There are beachside restaurants. I have not included in this video as kids don't allow me to shoot anything, but that doesn't mean it doesn't exist.
कितने भाईजी
Welcome back to Sorrento, at Deck 4, situated right on the lively main promenade of Anthem of the Seas. There are 18 impressive restaurants thoughtfully spread across 5 decks. However, in our family we have discovered a unanimous love for pizza, and that's precisely why Sorrento's has become our preferred dining spot. We are now in one of the most beautiful destinations of this itinerary, and yes, this is Funchal on the island of Madeira. The lush green peaks that surround the city and towering mountains create a landscape that is nothing short of breathtaking.
Hi, would you mind saying hi to the camera?
The best way to explore Funchal is through its famous tuk-tuk rides, as they easily whisk you through the city's narrow streets and the historic old town. We will be going for a bird's eye view of Funchal's beauty. The gondola ride to the top of the city is an absolute must. As you go up the hills, the panorama unfolds before your eyes. The lush landscape, the sparkling blue waters of the Atlantic Ocean, and the terraced houses that cling to the mountain sides create a beautiful scene that leaves an indelible mark on your heart. We are here on the gondola ride. This is not just a ride, it's a breathtaking adventure that offers a 360 view of the beautiful landscape around us. Just have a look at how beautiful it is. I'm short of words now. Today we are in Lanzarote and this isn't my first time visiting this incredible island. From its volcanic landscape to its stunning coastline and the gentle breeze of the Atlantic Ocean, it's impossible not to be captivated by the natural splendor of this island. As I stand here surrounded by such natural beauty and surrounded by such wonderful sights, I can't help but feel grateful for the moments like these.
My name is Roberto. You? So, you with me?
Okay, bye. आ जाओ दिए.
Thank you very much.
Whether you are a first-time visitor or a seasoned traveler, Lanzarote has something to offer everyone, and I have no doubt that your time spent here will be nothing short of unforgettable. We are not doing any excursions and we are exploring local high street and the delicious local cuisine with refreshing ice cream today.